All right, hi, Ken Blumberg here, back at my probate clean out listing. This home was an absolute disaster, but we had a probate auction and we got almost all the items sold out of the home. But whatever didn't sell, then I had a contractor come and pick up those items and get them out of the home. We brought them to Goodwill. And finally, once we had all the items out, we had the home painted. What a dramatic difference at this home right now. So let me flip around the camera and show you the massive results and how I can help you make everything super easy and simple and quick with your probate listing to get it ready for the market. If you need any help, I'm Ken Blumberg, your all-American realtor. Make your probate sale as easy as possible.